If you fell into a black hole, the gravitational pull would stretch you out in a process called spaghettification. As you get closer, the gravity at your feet would be much stronger than at your head, pulling you longer and thinner. Eventually, you'd pass the event horizon. At this point, time would appear to slow down for an outside observer, but for you, time might seem to speed up. Finally, you'd be crushed by the immense gravity, merging with the singularity at the black hole's center, lost forever in its depths.